Enterprises is a world-leading British manufacturer of waste and cleaning equipment. It began in 1969 and produces one of the widest ranges of tankers and products available today for the waste industry. Continuous investment in product innovation, process development, and most importantly people, has proved instrumental in the company's ongoing success for more than 40 years. Wholesale has transferred this ethos to Wholesale Enterprise in India, where it not only manufactures tankers and jetting equipment, but uses its engineering and technical design skills, such as computational fluid dynamics, for example, in the validation of product design. Engineering expertise such as this ensures continuous product improvement, the highest of safety standards, and minimizes its impact on the environment. This, coupled with its staff training, produces a range of products of outstanding quality, value, and reliability. Through continuous improvement, the company remains committed to producing equipment engineered to meet specific customer needs, with a strong commitment to ongoing service support. Wholesale Enterprise is well placed to face the future with confidence, remaining focused on developing its products, processes, and people through partnerships and investment, ensuring that it remains at the forefront of its industry.